Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I have got a unboxing for you today, and this was a present. Basically I had a £25 Amazon gift card off my mum, and I used it to buy this painting and another thing, and I really liked it. And when I felt it, it feels like it's a tube, like it's rolled up, but it does feel like we've got a big tray in here. So it's quite interesting because I've never known a painting to come with a massive tray before. Normally you get your standard sort of boat size, but let's take a look in here. But you can feel here it's sort of like a tube. So let's take a look. I got this a few days ago after Christmas, and just haven't had the time to do it because of that. Yeah, look, they've actually, oh no, okay, look, it's that dreaded double-sided tape. Oh man. But it is been wrapped up in a tube, and you've got a foam thing there, so that's interesting. And you can see it's a husky dog, husky dogs. Very nice of them to include a inventory chart there. Let's just take a closer look at that. But yeah, it's got that horrible. I'm not a lover of double-sided tape. I much more prefer glue, pour glue. But in here, I have to say, that's very nice of them to wrap this. I get the impression this is a Victoria's Moon packaging because it's coming across like a Victoria's Moon package because they do wrap theirs up. I'll be very surprised if we've got black tweezers in this. See, this is, again, why do they tape it like that? I don't like it when they do this because they don't just tape it there. It's like wrapped around the whole entire thing. This feels like a Victoria's Moon painting. I wonder if it is, because obviously Victoria's Moon do sell on Amazon. So, yeah, this feels very much like a Victoria's Moon painting. It's interesting that it's actually got Hukan on it. So it feels very thin, but it is it is double-sided tape. I've never seen red one before, but yeah, look at that. So we've actually got our tube, but it says up here that apparently it's a Hukan or something. This is a very unusual painting. It's almost like they've printed the chart back to front, because the chart is actually based down here. We've got 30 colours in this, 30 times centre. This is very thin. It's literally wafer thin. Interesting. What I'm going to do, apparently if you roll it up like that, it sort of sorts itself out. Because it's been rolled up, you see. So I'm not liking this quality at all. But, you know, we can't judge that yet. We have to look at the pictures. So this is what we call double-sided tape. So let's take this off. This is definitely Victoria's Moon. It's got to be, because they roll theirs up. I think this is the first ever painting I've had where I've had to unroll it. The last one I did with a tube was that giraffe custom. But as you can see, this looks really nice. I think it's a square drill. Let's take a look down here. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. So cute. Yeah. So it's like, it's almost like someone's done a custom. It's like someone's custom. But I don't think it is someone's custom, but very unusual to have like strips of this. Normally it's just one big giant sheet, but in this case it's strips. But yeah, if anyone knows of the company called Hukan, then do let me know. But as I said, I think that's quite strange that this is on this side and not on that side. But as you can see, it is husky dogs, and as you can see, I do apologise. Because we've rolled that out, it sort of flattened it a bit and it doesn't curl. But let's take a look and see what else we've got in the package, because I did feel something big. Yeah, it's a big tray. They've given us a big one. Oh, look. Well, it's not a big one, but it's a medium one. Right, yeah, look. High-tech tweezers. I bet you this is from Victoria's Moon, because I've only known them to give you high-tech tweezers, but I've never had a tray that size before. So that's like a miniature, smaller one. We've got a placer in there, 2 places of wax, your standard pen with your 3 placer and your squodgy. But you do get yourself the high-tech tweezers. So I do highly think that this is from Victoria's Moon, which is really interesting. And then if we get the, I think I paid $8.99 for this, but obviously it was a present, so I got it with the gift card. And yeah, this is nice. I love it when you don't have to, when they do bags, it's great because you don't have to sit there cutting all the bags open and stuff like that. But yes, oh my God. Right, yeah. Oh yeah, man. Sweet. Right, you know I said I think it's a square drill. It is a square drill. Now, a lot of you have said in the comments you said that you would like to see me doing squares. Because it fills the picture more. I am aware of that, and I am looking to phase rounds out. So, yeah, wow. You can sometimes see when you've got the painting open, you can sometimes see by the symbol or the painting itself, whether it's squares and that. I'm not going to get all these out, but as you can see, you've got all sorts of lovely colours in here. But they are definitely, I mean, some of these... Oh, actually, let's do it. Why not? But basically, you've got... These are squares. You've got that colour. You've got this lovely pink colour. You've got a black. You've got a brown. You've got loads of different greys in here, as you can see. So yeah, lovely. All sorts of lovely ones in this today. So really good. As you can see again. And then all bits of... all lovely ones here indeed. So, oh, that's nice, a blue as well. As I said, with me doing squares, I do find I work slower with squares, but you never know. I mean, I've only done the 1 or 2 with squares, but it could mean that I could, you know, once I get into it a bit more doing squares, I'll pick up the pace. But yeah, this is a very, very, it gives me I get the impression this is Victoria's Moon. The reason I say that is because they do send them in tubes, and they do also send you the high-tech tweezers. So that's really interesting. But what I love about this painting is the fact that I've been given like a medium-sized white tray. I think that's great. It's a shame it hasn't got the spout, but overall it's a lovely painting. But as I said, if you do know who this Huracan is, then do let me know. Please let me know in the comments below if you like the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. If you want to get this for yourself, I'll put the link in the description of the video. Remember that you do get this. It is a square drill. It's roughly about $8.99, but you know what Amazon's prices are like. They fluctuate up and down every day. But anyway, take care. Have a lovely day. I'll see you next Friday for another unboxing. Bye, guys.